Okay, I love little light gadgets, and so this one here is, have you ever seen like those little twirls of the little thin wires with the little bright lights on them? Well, they have those, and they're usually like just plug in with AA or something like that. Well, I found one, this one here, the color changing one, and it's USB powered, so I can plug it into the wall with my USB adapter, or I can plug it into one of my huge power banks like this one here. It's like 25,000 or something, some ridiculous amount. And so you connect it up here, and you can see it here. It lights up. You might not be able to see too much of the color, but I can even choose like different colors and the blue. Here's the receiver. I had it working earlier. There, so there's blue and green, I guess. I'm colorblind, so I'm guessing it's green. But see, it's all these little thin little wires, and I'm going to take this out and connect them up and wrap them around something, probably around the ceiling of my trailer to make it go so it lights up and looks cool around there, because it's so nice and thin. I can kind of tuck the wires in all around the edges. Gonna be pretty cool. Or I might just wait till I get home and stick it in a glass jar so it looks pretty. There's just so many options with this thing here. If you look at the pictures on the ad for it, it looks, those are all things you can do, and it totally looks exactly like that. This is exactly what it is what you're getting.